Hello, good evening from Indonesia. Thank you, Yankee Bravo Zero Alpha Radio. I would like to review this video. This video made when I visit Indian Ocean, the south part of Java Island. Yes, yeah, it's very good place there in the south part of Java Island, Indian Ocean. Yeah, I'm working with Stan Kilo Echo 5 Echo Echo on 40-meter long pad around 2300 Zulu. It's long pad, Florida and Indonesia. I'm in the mobile with the Canoe TS440, the old one, running 100 watts, and the Homebrew mobile antenna. Okay, guys, I will show you the video, and yeah, it's very good. Why I say good? It's a 40-meter band in the long pad in the morning here, a long way from Jakarta, Indonesia. Sorry, not Jakarta, from Indian Ocean to the Florida. Okay, I play the video. Yes, hang on.
How are you, buddy? Over.
Yeah, this is a video. You can. It's down, Kilo Echo 5 Echo Echo.
Roger, KSL, okay, it's okay. A little bit problem, very exciting, okay. My tire sleep in the sand, Stan, in the sand, KSL.
Roger, Ferry, Roger. I'm glad you got the car out of the sand. I was worried about you. I thought you'd be stuck there all night, over.
Roger, yeah, KSL, Stan. Yeah, it's morning. I find the low noise in the hotel is too much noise. I checked before in the hotel, too much noise, Stan. You are 5'9" plus. I make a video for you, Stan, over.
Oh, Roger. Okay, very good. Put the video. I'll put it on the group page with the video. Yankee Bravo Zero Alpha Radio Stroke Mobile Kilo Echo 5 Echo Echo. I hope you guys are having a good time, Ferry. I got the pictures and it looks beautiful, over.
Roger, yeah, KSL, Stan. It look beautiful. Yeah, the antenna is close to tree, but in the bit front, okay. Yes, it's very good. That's it, Indian Ocean, Stan. Indian Ocean. No noise here in the traditional market here. Kilo Echo 5 Echo Echo, Yankee Bravo Zero Alpha Radio Stroke Mobile in the Indian Ocean, south part of Java Island, over.
Roger, Yankee Bravo Zero Alpha Radio Mobile Kilo Echo 5 Echo Echo. Very good. Yeah, beautiful photograph of the Indian Ocean. Very nice and beautiful hotel, beautiful grounds there, and a nice video with your daughter and your wife. Very nice.
Okay, very good. Yes, it's very good opening between Indian Ocean and Florida, USA, long pad 40-meter. Okay, guys, thanks for watching. I will reply again some video for you. Thanks for watching. 73 Yankee Bravo Zero Alpha Radio. Bye bye. Thank you.